Hello guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix video stuttering and lagging problem in Windows 10 and Dell 1 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go settings, then click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshoot, scroll down. You can see here video playback. Click on run. Wait for completion. After that, close this window. Go to the device manager. Click on device manager. Double click on display adapters. Right click on graphics. Click on update driver. Click on search automatically for driver. After that, close this window. Again go to the settings. Click on apps. Then click on video playback. Process video automatically to enhance it. If you are on this option, you should off this option. One more option you should disable or uncheck: play video at lower resolution when on battery. This option also you should disable or uncheck. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.